Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on space and geometry exercises part 2. This video will continue to present exercises in the different strands to help you with revision. Now this is the first slide here, and I will leave it on for a short while, but as always you pause the video for as long as you like and you answer the questions at your leisure, and the answers are at the end. And this is slide number 2, where you have to name each of these shapes or objects. And this is slide 3. So you answer this at your leisure. I'll leave it on for a short while and then we'll go on to the answers. This is the first answer slide. Look at it carefully, pause it for as long as you want, and check the answers at your leisure. And here is the next slide with the names of those shapes or objects. And this is the last slide with the answers.